right here. It's my dream car. No, I'm just kidding. What up, fam? So today I bought a new car. Well, technically I didn't buy it today, but I bought my dream car. I'm gonna reveal that now. One thing to mention is I got it for a very good price, and it's damaged. Obviously it's salvage. You'll see it when I show it to you. But when I do show it to you, I want one thing from you. I want you to comment below on how much you think I got this car for. And then obviously during my next video, I'll tell you guys what I got it for. And on top of that, it's a project car, so I'll be fixing it up, you know, I have to fix it up because it's salvage. It was in an accident, which I'm going to show you what the damage is. However, in the meantime, below, tell me what you think, how much you think it is, what you think about the car, how much you think it's going to cost me to fix it, how long you think it's going to cost me, because I want your opinion. I honestly don't know. This is my first project car. It's my first car that I actually bought salvage, and it's my first car that I'm going to start repairing and, you know, working on it and hopefully drive it in a good condition, which I hope will be ready in a month or two, depending on how fast I can work on it, because I do have a full-time job that's technically a 9 to 6, but since I'm in a busy job, I work like 9 to 7, 9 to 8 sometimes, and some weekends. But with all that said, I want to show you the car. I'm really excited for this car. It looks amazing. Obviously, like I said, it's damaged. Aside from the damage, it looks amazing. Tell me what you think. Let's take a tour of the car. Let me reveal the car. It is my dream car, so let's do it. By the way, I actually bought this Corolla as well. Right here. It's my dream car. No, I'm just kidding. It's another car that I bought. I'm gonna try to fix this car up and maybe sell it. I'll show you around for this one too. My friend's in it right now. He's fixing it up a little. He's taking out the seat belts because it's got to get reset with the airbags as well. So I'll show you around the Enterprise car. I mean the Toyota car, which was actually an Enterprise car that they were trying to sell, but then it got into an accident again and they salvaged it, so I was able to pick it up. But anyways, I'll show you this car as well. Give me your estimates, give me your guesses on how much you think it is, how much you think it's going to cost, and what you think about the car overall. So right now I'm using the wide angle to show you the actual car itself, but without this car, let me show you my dream car, and here it is. Here is the actual car. Yes, it's my dream car. Subaru WRX is my dream car, and I actually finally was able to buy it. But let's just show you around the car. It's got custom rims. The guy before me modified it pretty well. It's got his mud flaps. Let's go to the back. Here it is. Let's go to the other side. Now here's the actual damage. Now it starts right here. I guess he got into a side scrape with another car, custom rims. It starts right here from this rear door, and then it goes on. But other than this, it's clean. Obviously we need to get new doors, new fender, new rim, new tire. It's got the Revel coilovers. I don't know if you can see it on top, the blue. And I need to change the control arm because it's broke. You can see from here, it's like cracked in half. Other than that, it's just the fender, it's bodywork. The two doors, the bottom skirt, the hood has a little scrape on it, but it's not that bad. And then the bumper, I need to change. Current car, future car in about a month or two. Current, future, current, future. And then there's this guy. So here it is. The front bumper needs to get fixed. This side is clean. Let me just show you guys real quick if I don't die. This side is clean. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that front left driver's side. I'll show you the interior. So here's the interior. The airbags obviously were blown after the accident, so we need to fix the airbags itself for the front and the back, right? And then the seat airbag was blown. So we need to put an airbag in here and stitch it up. Other than that though, the interior is fine. Looks like this is a little out of space. We need to push that back in, but other than that, the car is mint. yeah, everything else works. So press home, goes home, press phone, goes to phone, press apps, goes to apps, radio works. Oh, there's a bug on me. There it goes. It's not a Maserati sports car, but it is a nice car.
For hip hop and R&B, Hot 93.7.
I think it's got a short throw STI shifter, not sure though, but it's got this nice modified its own shift knob, which is nice. I can take it off and it's pretty heavy, so it's good quality. Really heavy, but it's good quality. Put this back on. Oh, I also need a mirror as well. The mirror is gone. It is the base. It doesn't have a sunroof, and here's the back. Everything in the back is fine, good condition. I just need to vacuum it and clean it up, obviously. So back in the car, like I said, everything works. I actually got 2 keys out of it. Usually you get only 1, but I got 2 this time. So, you know, really super excited. The car is in great condition. Let me take that back. The car is in okay condition. Usually they wipe out the name on the auction when they sell it. They usually wipe out the name. However, I was able to read the guy's name. I'm gonna try to find him on Facebook or something and reach out to him and try to buy off the stock parts from him if he still has it. Because like I said, the coilovers, the shift knob, everything else like he modified, he's got to have the parts, so that maybe he sold it, not sure. But like super excited. It is my dream car. Maybe I could have bought a new one of it, yeah, sure, but I'm saving tons of money by buying a salvage one. Like I said, like I showed you around, the car is in great condition. I'm going to show you the hood now. He's got a few other parts there that he modified as well. The engine looks clean, the transmission looks clean, everything looks clean in the car. I don't know a lot about cars, but my friend here does, and thankfully he's helping me out. So we ordered all the parts. We haven't officially ordered it, but we called the junkyard up. We're buying used parts to it, and hopefully we're gonna put this thing back together. Like I said, it's a project car. Yes, modification project car, and I'm fixing the car itself up. So we ordered a skirt, right? 2 doors, coilover. Well, the stock one, not the revel one, but we'll see. The windshield is also cracked. You can see here. So we need to get the windshield fixed. We called about that. It's like 260 bucks. But yeah, let's see how it is. I'm really freaking excited. I just want to like, drive it. Too bad I can't even take it out right now because, you know, control arm is broke. The rim is broke, so I can't put a tire on. I think the spare tires are in. But anyways, I'm just super freaking excited. I'm going to show you guys the Corolla now. But before I go to the Corolla, I want to show you the hood. So here it is. Let me show you a wide view first. So as you can see, he modified it a bit. He put K&N oil filter, K&N air intake, and then this JDN bar. As you can see, like the engine, the car itself is super clean. Like it's a brand new car. So I'll tell you the details. It's a 2019 WRX base, and it only has 12,000 miles on it. So with all that said, how much do you think I got it for? How much do you think it's gonna cost me to fix it? Because if you guys do know how to fix it, I'm in Massachusetts right now. I'm based out of Connecticut. However, the car is in Massachusetts because it's on my friend's trailer. So we're gonna get it fixed out here. So let me know what you guys think. How much would it cost me to fix it? So I need a side fender. I need a driver rear door, driver door. I need a bottom skirt. I need a control arm. I need a suspension. I need a rim. That rim, not sure what that rim exactly is, but I think I found it on AutoZone for $200 each. So I need that. I need a new tire. I might need a new bumper. It looks like I do, but I might be able to fix it up. The replacement bumper, the guy said it was like 800 bucks, so I'm not trying to buy a new bumper. I'm trying to fix it up. So I might need that. With all that said, I think that's it. With all that said, how much do you think it's gonna cost me? And like I said, in the next video, I'll tell you my thoughts on how much I think it's gonna cost, and I'll tell you how much I bought it for. I'm super excited that I finally bought my dream car, Subaru WRX 6-speed manual. I haven't ever owned a manual car. I know how to drive it because every time I go to Europe, I rent a manual car. I know how to drive it. I'm not an expert at it. Only time I sweated when I used to drive it in Europe was up the hill, when I was on the hill. So I gotta practice that and learn it, but it's gonna take me like a month and a half to fix this car up. So I'm excited about that. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this car, and let's switch over to Corolla. So here's the Corolla, right? This car is a 2017, I think it's a base one, L or LE. It has 44,000 miles on it. And the only problem is the tire, the water pump, I think, and then the bumper itself. And then obviously the airbags flew out of it, or blew up. So we need to get those reset and fixed. But let me show you the bumper if I don't die again. So here's the bumper, here's the tire. We switched the tire out, put on the spare one. So this is broke, we need to get a new one of these. But here's the bumper, it's obviously falling off and it's scraped, so we need a new bumper.
Right now I'm taking off the dash, trying to get the airbag module out. Almost there.
Completely gone, huh?
Yep.
Can't drive it no more?
Yeah, well, we can, but no seatbelt.
No seatbelt?
No seatbelt, no airbags.
It's got full screen, everything works. Going back to the dream. Dude, you can see how clean this car is. Inside and out. Well, aside from the side, so there's a small scratch here, but he still put it. He put in tints on the taillights. I think that's all the mod. Straight pipe on the exhaust, no muffler, I'll show you that. But my favorite part about this car is that it's actually like really clean. It's gonna look really clean because it doesn't have any scratches aside from the 2 doors we talked about. So it's gonna look really clean when it's time to actually drive it. So you can see from here, no mufflers are gone, it's just a straight pipe. So that's mad exciting. And then you got on the mud flaps. I like the rims, but the rims are sick. Well, there you have it, guys. So expect more videos on the WRX. I'm gonna be driving it, obviously. I'm gonna be fixing it. First, it's gonna be a project car. Gotta fix it up. Maybe a few more additional modifications on it. And then after it's all fixed up, I'm gonna hop on it and I'm gonna beat the shit out of it. I'm just kidding, just trying to make this guy.
You got it?
I'm not gonna beat the shit out of it, but I am going to enjoy the shit out of it, for sure. Maybe I'll buy that Porsche too. Not for sale, but I want it. I'm super excited, guys. I don't know if this shows from my face. I can't stop smiling, but I'm super excited. I just can't wait till I hop on it and drive it. That straight pipe sounds amazing. I'll show you guys what that sounds like in another video, but I can't wait to make more videos on it. So if you guys are at all excited with me, if you guys do want to see the journey, I will be fixing it up, obviously. I will be driving it. I will be making more videos on it, on my fixing it up process, on my modification process, on my driving it process. So if you guys are as excited as me and you guys want to see the build up, please do subscribe. I'll be making a lot more videos on this. Let me know what you think. Like I said down below, how much you think I got it for, how much you think I'm gonna fix it for, its value. If you guys have any kind of tips for me as I'm fixing it up, any details, any lookouts, let me know, because I'm gonna need it. It's my first time building a car, repairing a car. It's my first time anything doing more to a car than actually stock. My TL is the stock. I've been using it for as is for the past 9 years. So any tip helps, guys. So leave that comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Expect the video every once a week on a Monday or Tuesday. Take the video on the weekend, edit it, and upload it. Like I said, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's start this bad boy up. Let's see how it sounds.